XRP just won a big battle against the SEC, and the price may be about to go through the roof. It's possible that $385.69 is not that far away. It took years of court cases, but Ripple just won an important ruling that could finally end the uncertainty about XRP. Ripple isn't the only one who was happy about this decision. Initiating institutional adoption, common financial integration, and a huge price rise could all happen because of it. But now for the real question, is this the time that people who own XRP have been waiting for? Will this new legal development cause XRP to soar above all-time highs? And what does this mean for how crypto will be regulated in the future? Watch this movie all the way through to the end to fully understand why this victory could be the start of XRP's rise to triple-digit levels. The SEC has been trying to label XRP as a security. This has caused legal uncertainty that has slowed down the price and use of XRP. Ripple has now won a big battle, which could change everything. What did that just happen? It's even worse for the SEC now that a judge has decided again in favor of Ripple. Legal experts say that this decision brings XRP closer to full legal clarity. This means that banks, hedge funds, and other financial institutions may now feel comfortable using XRP to send money across borders. This is a huge change because legal uncertainty has been one of the main things that has kept XRP from reaching its full potential. What's even more interesting is how the market is responding. After the news came out, the trading volume of XRP went through the roof. Investors see this as a sign that the legal fight is almost over. The SEC might soon face a full rejection or settlement if it keeps losing ground. This would make XRP available to everyone around the world. But this is only the start. How much higher can XRP really go now that regulations are clear? They think that this decision is the first step towards a big rise, and the price of $385.69 might not be as far-fetched as it sounds. Now let's break it down. Ripple has won a big case against the CCC, which has kept XRP's price down. The big question now is, can XRP really hit $385.69? Still, some people might think that number is way too high, but experts are sure that XRP is ready for a huge rise. Let's start by looking at what people want and need. It's not like Bitcoin where some tokens are locked up, burned, or kept by institutions. If big banks and financial companies start using XRP for transactions across borders, the amount of transactions that happen every day could go through the roof. This would be ideal for a price increase. Then there are trends from the past. When Bitcoin became popular with most people, it went from a few $100s to almost $70,000 in an instant. When institutional buyers stepped in, Ethereum's value went from a few hundred to thousands of dollars. If XRP is about to reach the same level of widespread adoption, which seems likely now that the case is almost over, the price could reach triple digits. Also, let us not forget the interest of institutions. Now that rules are clearer than ever, big banks, hedge funds, and payment companies may be lining up to add XRP to their systems. That could make demand much higher than we've seen before. What's going on behind the scenes? Are banks and other financial institutions getting ready for an XRP boom already? What do big investors think about this new court victory? How about we take a better look? After Ripple's most recent court win, investors and institutions are moving quickly to make their next moves. What's going on behind the scenes is the real question. First, let's talk about what whales do. Data from the on-chain shows that the number of large XRP deals has been going up. Following the court's decision, big wallets began to store more XRP. This means that big buyers know that rules are going to become clear soon and don't want to miss the chance to make money before the price goes through the roof. Second, the number of trades is going through the roof. Analysts say there has been a huge increase in XRP activity, with millions of dollars coming in just hours after the legal change. Moving in this way often means that prices are about to change a lot. The big players are getting ready before the rest of the market does. Adoption around the world is even more important, though. Since the SEC is losing ground, banks and other financial companies that were on the fence may now be ready to fully add XRP to their payment systems. If that happens, XRP could play an even bigger part as a currency that can be used to send money between countries. What will happen next? What will happen next? Will the SEC finally give in, or will the law change again? Last but not least, so what does this mean for the price of XRP in the future? Let's break it down. What will happen next with XRP now that Ripple has the upper hand? Will the SEC finally give in, or is there going to be another court twist? At this point, experts see two possible results. The SEC could first try to reach a deal. The SEC may want to avoid more trouble and make a deal with Ripple after losing several decisions. It would be easy for banks and other institutions to fully adopt XRP without worrying about legal issues if that were to happen. This would be a very bullish possibility because it would make adoption very easy for many people. It's also possible that the SEC will file an appeal, which will draw out the case. That might not stop XRP's progress, though. As more decisions go in Ripple's favor, buyers become more sure that XRP will be cleared in the end. The market is already acting as if XRP is won, even if the case goes on. In other words, the price might go up before the final choice is made. Besides the lawsuit, Ripple's growing relationships around the world could be the next big thing. Financial companies all over the world already use XRP to send money across borders. If they win in court in the US, adoption could go through the roof. If that happens, price forecasts of $385.69 or even more might not be too far off. With everything going on right now, with the SEC's loss, growing institutional interest, and a growing trend towards using XRP around the world, its owners may be on the verge of something huge. A court case that used to slow down XRP is quickly losing its power, and the markets are aware of this. After Ripple's legal victory, the rules could finally be made clear, and XRP could become the most popular asset for foreign settlements. Big banks, hedge funds, and other financial companies are already keeping a close eye on things, and some are probably getting ready for the next big move. But now comes the important part. Are regular people who spend running out of time, will small holders be able to get in on the action before the price goes through the roof if banks start buying XRP for big deals? Prices don't wait when big money comes in, as history has shown. What do you think? Is XRP about to go through the roof at $385.69? Will this court win, finally free XRP? Is there still one more thing to do? Leave your ideas in the comments, and if you want to know about every big XRP update before anyone else, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Things might change in the next few weeks. Now we come to the last and most important question. Now that Ripple has won a big court case, institutions are moving behind the scenes, and price estimates are skyrocketing. What should people who own XRP do? What comes next for XRP might be different from everything we've seen so far. Should the SEC give up or settle? XRP might finally be safe from unclear laws, and when that happens, its use could go through the roof. Big financial companies are already interested, and once they get their spots, small buyers might not have the same chances. People who